Hey, what's going on, people? I hope you guys are doing good. I recently went on a trip to NYC to check out some new stuff from Tempo. If you're not familiar with them, no worries, let me briefly explain. Tempo is a somewhat new company in the fitness tech space. In 2020, they introduced the Tempo Studio, which is a personal training machine with a huge touchscreen, as you can see. With it, they provide a service to users that includes tons of classes from several different instructors. Each instructor has their own specialty. For instance, when it comes to cardio, I really enjoy Melissa's HIIT workouts, who I was able to meet while I was in New York. The unique part of Tempo is that they use free weights. When combined with onboard AI and a 3D vision, or 3D Tempo vision, it can ensure you're maintaining correct form while counting your reps. My full Tempo experience video is coming soon, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe if you want to hear more about this incredible system, as well as see my results. The two things that steer people away from the Tempo Studio is the price and the size, and that's where the NYC event comes in. Let me introduce you to the Tempo Move. It takes the power of the Tempo Studio and shrinks it significantly. In fact, the Tempo Move is about the size of an end table. If you add decor to the top of it, it could easily pass as a piece of furniture. It comes in a dark or light wood colorway, so matching it to your home's aesthetics should be pretty easy. The crazy part is the Tempo Move can still give form feedback and count your reps despite not having a huge screen and sensors. The key to what makes this possible is your iPhone. It needs to be an iPhone XS or later. You simply connect it to the top of the Tempo Move, which acts as a dock. The dock runs from the lightning port on your iPhone to the back of your TV using an HDMI and USB Type-A connection. What's genius is that Tempo uses a single split-style cable to make all of this possible. From there, you just simply launch the Tempo app and pick a workout. Then the Tempo Move will utilize the iPhone's LiDAR sensor, which is used for Face ID, and the iPhone's onboard AI processing to sense your body movements for form feedback. And of course, to count your reps. Thanks to the USB Type-A connection, the Tempo Move will provide power to the iPhone and charge it. This is important since the LiDAR scanner is going to be on the entire time the class is going, and the processing is working non-stop in the background. The Tempo Move comes with dumbbells and 50 pounds of weight plates that tuck away beautifully. The dumbbells fit inside the top portion, which is covered by two lids. The weights tuck away nice and tidy inside the front of the unit, which opens and closes using magnets. Frickin' magnets. In fact, the actual mechanism was inspired by Apple's iPad Smartfolio and SmartCover. The entire design is nice, and it's really smart the way they did it. It's giving you the power of a Tempo Studio in a compact form factor, and is extremely portable. For instance, if you want to take the Tempo Move with you, you can simply pop out the dock from the top of the unit and bring that, the cord, required weights, and the yoga mat. Tempo informed me at the event that they are working on a USB-C version of the dock, which will bring iPad support since the LiDAR sensor on the iPad is a little bit better. In use, it was awesome and amazingly accurate. The version that I was able to demo is running new software, which will be coming to the studio as well. It brings automatic weight detection, so no longer will you be required to manually input the weights you're using. It simply updates automatically as you change and start using them. Pretty impressive. It also shows your current place on your yoga mat, so that way you stay within the recommended perimeters during the workouts, and you can make sure you get credit for all of your reps. Real-time feedback has been updated and not only displays form recommendations, but also gives you positive feedback, because everybody needs a little bit of encouragement from time to time. There are also other improvements to the software that I'm super stoked about. This includes the ability to import your own Spotify playlist when working out. Can't wait for that. Also, improved Apple Watch support is coming with vibrations for when workouts change and when feedback is given. Awesome. The best part is that the Tempo Move is available for purchase today for $395 and will begin shipping in December. That's a significant price drop from the studio. Now, it does require a monthly subscription, which comes in at $39. With that subscription, you can have up to 6 accounts linked to it. Dumbbells will be supported at launch, and barbell and kettlebell classes will be added in 2022. The Tempo Move looks incredible, and it fixes the two biggest concerns that I feel most people have with the current Tempo Studio. I honestly feel this could be the perfect home gym replacement for the masses. Outside of the Move, Tempo introduced a new weight bench, which will be coming soon. It looks absolutely brilliant when paired with this squat rack. It collapses to a nice compact size with just a push of a button, and it has several points of adjustment. Of course, there's also the kettlebell, which has already started shipping and it works fantastic. Tempo also dropped a new clothing collection with several shirts, zips, beanies, and hoodies. I gotta give a huge thanks to the Tempo team for hooking me up with a few shirts and a hoodie. I like them, I wear them, and now I wanna buy more, especially the tank tops. In case you can't tell, I am really pumped when it comes to this new Tempo stuff. I'm a huge fan of the studio and I use it 2 to 3 times every single day. If you're on Tempo and you wanna connect with me, make sure to hit me up on Twitter or IG. My Tempo username can be found in the description of this video, as well as a link to pre-order the Move, accessories, and the new gear. Let me know what you think of this new addition to the home gym tech space. I'll hopefully be getting my hands on a unit in the coming months, so make sure to stay tuned for more coverage. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you beautiful, gorgeous people in the next one.